City fan, what's happening? Your boy Jay here. I look tired. It's Monday. I got off work. It's my birthday this week, so I'm going on a little trip. Y'all gonna see that. Gonna have a little fun. But first things first. First mod I'm doing on the TRX, cause we live in Michigan. I mean, if I was living anywhere else, I'd probably do it too. But you gotta throw on the security. So I'm here. Best Buy Geek Squad. Listen, y'all. I go to Geek Squad. I'm not. This is not no endorsement. Like they not sponsoring me, nothing like that. But I go to them because if you get the protection plan, which is like $199 a year or whatever it is, you get free installation on everything, right? So that's TV, that's all that kind of stuff. But installation on the electronics in the car, the speakers, whatever you want in your car, the installation free, which is normally $200 anyways. So when you go somewhere else, you're getting something put in, they charge you every time they put something in. Whereas because I go through so many cars and I get so many different alarms, it don't make sense to pay for that installation too on top of that. You know what I mean? It's just things you can save. Plus I use it for my Apple Care anyway, so I'm paying $100 a year for Apple Care. Might as well that's a part of it, right? So if your phone break, bring it here, they fix it, you know what I'm saying? So same thing. So Geek Squad take care of all that. So here at Geek Squad, they're gonna throw another alarm that's in the back seat right now. That's probably gonna take a couple hours. So yeah, and then it's gonna be the same one I got on the track hawk. Literally it's gonna be the exact same one, because of the drone, because of the alarm, because you can find, you know, it's just the feasibility of knowing where your shit is all the time. You know what I mean? And because we live here, people steal cars so much. People steal, it's Mopar particularly, but they steal this kind of stuff. Anything with a Hellcat engine, they trying to steal it. You know what I mean? But you got to get something with a Hellcat engine. So what else are you supposed to do? You know what I mean? So, you know, getting this put in, it's probably gonna take a couple hours. I'm here in like Taylor, I think, and whatever mall this is, I don't ever come to this mall. I only come to here. So I might walk around the mall for a bit, go shopping, because I ain't really got nothing else to do for a couple hours. I'm gonna make a couple phone calls, but other than that, but yeah, I need a haircut. But I'm not getting a haircut until the day before my trip because my hair grows super fast, bro. Like something ridiculous. But anyway, they might let me record and see what they do, but it is what it is. So I'll be back in a second. All right, what's up, City fam? I'm back in the truck. Best Buy finally finished. They wouldn't let me record them doing it for whatever reason, but it is what it is. So Combi Star drone is installed. I already got the notification on my phone when the truck moved. So that's a plus. I know I look crazy with my app right now, but it is what it is. But I'm about to call Torreira because they showed me something on here. So in fact, I want y'all to see it. Mind you, this is 2022. We got 300 total miles on it right now. Look at this. This is crazy. So look at this gap, right? So it's about a half of an inch, right? Then you come over here to this side. This ain't no half an inch, and it's raised on that side. So you can literally run your finger. This is how it's supposed to look on both sides. You can run your finger down it. I could do like this, so there's no gap, no difference. You come on this side though, you can see the clip right there. How big of a difference it is. To some people, not a big deal, but when I go to sell this car, I don't want it to look like it's been in an accident or shit, trying to get in this joint is fun. It's an accident or it's another issue with it, you know what I mean? So it's a $90,000 truck. I shouldn't have gap problems like that. This ain't a Tesla, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna call Torreira to let him know and see if they could oh, shit, and see if they could do something, because that's crazy, to be honest. So talk to my touch lady, finished that today. I'm trying to debate if I'm gonna get the tinted windows now or just wait until I am kind of Livonia, or just wait until I drop it off at midnight. But to be honest, I love midnight. I mess with Chaz and them. I'm gonna drop it off to do other stuff the next thing, but they be expensive, bro. I ain't gonna hold you up. So I might just drive to Livonia real quick and see if they have any availability just to throw on the tent real quick, which it shouldn't cost a lot. And then we can knock that out, and I have at least my tinted window. I can't drive this fishbowl shit, bro. Like I can't do it. It's no bueno, because everybody can see what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? But this truck is crazy. Like, as a first job, I usually, when I do my reviews and stuff on the car, like I wait a little bit. Like I got this car like on Monday or Tuesday. I think I got it on Tuesday. and I put like 200 miles. I try to put a lot of miles on in the beginning. One, because I wanted to get to the 500 so I can do launch in this joint. Because I know that's crazier than my Trackhawk because of the 4x4, and I've been told that it's sick. So that's one reason why. And then two, I like to get all that out the way. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't want to wait on like 3 or 4 weeks just to put the 500 on there. So I put the 500 initially, and after that I kind of taper off. I put a lot of miles on the Trackhawk, but that's because I love driving it. You know what I'm saying? Like Trackhawk probably my favorite. I get more. Hold on one second. I gotta clean this joint off. All right, I get more use out of the this joint, but than the Trackhawk. But the Trackhawk I think might be just as fun, if not more fun. But I haven't really gone crazy in this yet. You know what I'm saying? Like all I did was put the alarm on it. I got some other stuff I'm gonna do to it next week, but nothing crazy. So I'm about to go head to the tent spot. So that's the first mod I did, was the alarm. And then today I'm gonna go just throw the tents on the front and call it a day, because Chattanooga expensive. And it ain't like I keep cars for 5 or 6 years. If I was keeping this car forever, this truck forever, which to be honest, I don't know, man. The 392 Jeep Wrangler didn't come in yet. And it's scheduled, but that shit taking too long. So I might get that and just sell it, because I mean, I don't know. I might like this more. I don't know. So I'm gonna keep driving it. I haven't driven the 392 yet, but I ordered it because I knew I would like a 392. I mean, it's a Wrangler, bro. Like, so when I get that, I might just sell that, because right now I still got the Trackhawk, but it's going online this week. Took all the stripes off, took all that stuff off. So that's going online this week. And then I got this too. So it's really depending on like what I want to do. Just to keep behind it with you, know what I mean? And I don't know yet. I mean, I like both. That's the problem. I ain't rich, so I can't afford to. I could do both car notes, but that would financially, that wouldn't make sense, right? I'm not making money off YouTube, so financially, that just wouldn't make sense. So the Trackhawk's for sale. I'm about to go to the auto tint way and go get these windows tinted real quick, and then I'm gonna have Chad and them put on the security when I almost went through a red light. But I'm in Taylor, so I ain't trying to get no tickets and shit like that. But I had them put on the security tent and all the other kind of crap. So, all right, hopefully they got an appointment. I'm gonna look and see if they got some availability, and then we'll go from there. All right, peace. All right, so I'm here at Auto Tint Way, and right here, about to throw the tent on the front and the windshield. I can't drive around like that no more, so we'll see. This joint crazy though. I love the TRX, but he got the car I want. I ain't gonna hold you up. I want this. I've been trying to find the Impala SS for a minute with good miles, but people taxing, bro. I'm not paying no $20,000 for a 96 Impala. That to me, that's just dumb, but that's what the market is right now. So look like I ain't getting one, but this joint is clean as hell. I would do it just like this. I would have tinted it, but I literally would want it just like this, except the interior. They got one that's a blue. You get a blue one, you can get the blue with the gray interior, or the blue with the blue interior. They do got a blue interior on it, so TRX about to get tinted. Auto tint way, come get your windows tinted. Like I said, I usually go to Chattanooga, but they be taxing, so it's just the fronts, bro. It's regular tint. I'm not going ceramic because I don't think I'm gonna keep this car. And if I do fit, I just tint it again, the whole thing, if I want it darker. So we'll see. I'll let you know. Should have before and after. How she look like now. She look different with the tint, bro. All cars look different with the tint, so I'll let you in a second. All right, so I'm here at Gallos over there. I'll let Torreira, because like I said earlier, look at this joint. Like when you feel it, it can go under. Like my finger should not be able to go under like that. And then look at this side. Not even close. So some people might not even pay attention to that, but I know when I go to resell it, I go to do something with the vehicle. That's a problem. When the quality guys are looking over it, they look at the gaps and all type of stuff. But she do look different with the tint now though. Windshield slightly tinted. So I went lighter than I normally would, only because it's a big ass truck and it's already hard to see out of, let alone when you make the tint darker. So it should be 20/20 and then that's 35. So let me go in here and mess with Torreira. I'm gonna go pee first though. I'm gonna mess with him since he got my shop. City fan, what's happening? Your boy Jay here, another banger video coming up today. And I'm on my Detroit shit. You can see I got my cardies on, whatever. I'm here at Midnight Protective Film Solutions because I'm going out of town and I want them to put the security windows on. A few of the things that I'm not going to tell you because then I would ruin the surprise. So I'm going out of town. My birthday's this week. Gotta turn up, gotta have fun. Y'all see a video probably after this one of where I'm gonna be at. Gotta get on the beach somewhere, gotta get some sun because I'm in Michigan and it's cold, it's depressing, it sucks. But, you know, I'm about to go have fun. So I'm here, I'm about to drop the truck off. TD's gonna come pick me up and they'll have it for the weekend. No, they'll have it for actually more than the weekend, but I have it for a few days, long story short. So by the time you see this video, I already had the truck back. So here, I'm here. Got a few things gonna happen. I'm gonna say what's up to the team in the back. Hopefully she's here by 3 o'clock. They in here. Chad really got them a barbecue. Like, he really bought them a barbecue. Well, I think it's cool though. As a boss, I want a boss like that. Really, I want to be a boss like that. Forget having a boss like that. I want to be a boss like that. So I'm here. I'm gonna drop this off real quick. This all they do. See what they do? That's all they do. Sit there and fucking eat hot dogs and hamburgers and shit. Yeah. What's happening, sir? That's a 500 too. Ooh. That GT is cold. Let me see what they're doing. They're not doing anything here. That's a 500, isn't it? I actually like that car.
I love that blue.
Oh, he's gonna do blue or gray?
He's doing PPF.
Oh, PPF in it? Yeah. I thought it was like a wrap.
He's doing stripes.
Oh, okay.
Hey,
My favorite people.
Oh my
you
god.
back again? You
Who
hit
uses
that
that
button.
engine, man?
Yeah, I was gonna stay back there, but then I had to splash with the water. So then,
You were in the Cartier glasses.
Cartier.
yeah. They're not Buffs. The Buffs is the Buffaloes. That's what they call them. But Cartier is still the same brand. Well, yeah, you gotta talk to my glasses guy. Man. I got a guy for everything,
It's
man.
like what, $800 a pair?
No, they like 1,300.
$1,300 a pair?
Hey,
What's up, buddy? How are you?
I haven't seen this guy in a while.
I haven't seen you in like a week. We were back here.
$1,300.
That was a week ago? Yeah, that was a week ago.
Wow. What if you get punched in the face?
I will shoot.